This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Electral powder is an essential rehydration solution. It helps replenish lost fluids and electrolytes effectively. Indications and uses. This rehydration solution is indicated for the prevention and treatment of dehydration caused by excessive fluid loss due to diarrhea, vomiting, heat exhaustion, or strenuous physical activity. Its formulation is designed to quickly restore electrolyte levels and hydration, making it suitable for individuals recovering from illnesses, athletes after rigorous workouts, or anyone experiencing mild dehydration. It is particularly beneficial for those engaged in outdoor activities in hot conditions or during prolonged exercise, as it aids in maintaining optimal hydration levels. How it works. The powder promotes rehydration by facilitating the absorption of water and electrolytes in the intestines, helping to restore the body's fluid balance. Directions for use. To use, mix 1 sachet of the powder with the recommended amount of clean, boiled, and cooled water, 200 milliliters for adults and 100 to 200 milliliters for children. Stir the mixture well until fully dissolved and consume gradually over a few hours to avoid stomach discomfort. For children, provide small sips every 5 to 10 minutes to ensure continuous hydration. It is crucial to adhere to the recommended dosage and not exceed it to prevent potential side effects. Possible side effects. Some individuals may experience side effects such as vomiting if the mixture is consumed too quickly. Generally, it is well tolerated when used as directed. Precautions and warnings. Individuals with kidney dysfunction or heart disease should use this solution with caution, as it contains sodium and potassium. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using it regularly. It is also important to avoid excessive consumption to prevent electrolyte imbalances. FAQs. 1. Is this an oral rehydration salt? Yes, it replenishes water and electrolytes. 2. Can it be taken daily? Consult your doctor before daily use. 3. How does it help in diarrhea? It replaces lost fluids and maintains balance. 4. Can diabetics use it? Use with caution due to glucose content. 5. How long does it last after mixing? Ideally consume within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below.